Hi, I am Sayuri Gonzalez, and today I'm going to talk to you about an environmental rights defender. To begin with, it is necessary to know beforehand who are environmental rights defenders. Environmental rights defenders are people who raise their voice to protect rights related to environment, land, and territory. However, being an environmental rights defender has deadly consequences. According to the ONG Global Witness, in 2019, the last year for which data is available, almost 212 defenders were killed for protecting their land, wildlife, and natural resources. Now, the person I am going to talk about today is Homero Gomez Gonzalez. He was a Mexican agronomist and environmental activist, defender of the monarch butterfly, and promoter of forest care. His work was to protect thousands of hectares of forests in the Mexican state of Michoacán, where millions of monarch butterflies arrive every year. This work affected the interests of illegal loggers. What did he do? Well, during his 50 years of life, he carried out several activities related to the protection of the environment in relation to the monarch butterflies. Among those activities are the ones I will mention below. First and foremost, he founded and managed the Monarch Butterfly Sanctuary in Ocampo. The sanctuary opened its doors to the public in November of 2019 as part of his strategy to stop illegal logging in a key habitat for the monarch butterfly. Since the region was known for the presence of criminal groups that, with the help of the police, were illegally logging. It should be noted that the sanctuary contains 44% of all the butterflies that arrive in Mexico. The second activity he carried out was to implement one of the largest reforestation campaigns in order to preserve the environment, for which he formed brigades of forest rangers and fought for the importance of new forests to combat climatic change. Finally, he was a great promoter and promoted the care of the monarch butterfly through his social networks, where he uploaded videos of him with open arms in the middle of thousands of butterflies fluttering around him. This with the intention of raising awareness and reaching more people. Disappearance and death. Regarding his disappearance and death, Homero Gomez was last seen alive on January 13, 2020, attending a meeting in the town of El Soldado. His family reported him missing the following day. However, they received calls from individuals claiming to have him kidnapped, asking for ransom payments, which according to human rights activist Maite Cardona, the family paid. More than 2 weeks after his disappearance, his body was found in a well for agricultural use in the state of Michoacán, reciting craniocephalic trauma that occurred before death by drowning. Homero had denounced on different occasions the illegal logging of the forest habitat of the monarch butterflies. Because of his work against illegal logging, the Michoacán State Prosecutor's Office reported that Homero Gomez may have been murdered by organized crime. On my part, it will be all, and I hope that the information given will be of great use to know a little about this defender and the danger that defenders lie in today.